Hi, this is Tony Cook, and this is What's in the Box. What's in the Box? There's a new run of Broadway Limited Imports in scale SD70ACe diesel locomotives. We're going to take a look at a handful of them. I'm going to unbox for you here. This is a Paragon 4 DCC sound-equipped Montana rail link. Comes in the typical two-piece clear packaging. A lot of protectors I notice on this. This one foam piece goes under there, which seems a little unusual, but neat. What an awesome paint scheme. This is the Thank You Veterans. Model includes ditch lights. And again, this is the powered DCC sound equipped Paragon 4. There are other road names in this run, including Union Pacific and a good old gray Kansas City Southern. Also in the box, I don't think there's any parts or anything extra to this. There's the silica to keep stuff dry. I think you can find on Broadway's website information on maybe exploded parts and other things. There is a couple of sheets down in here. The warranty card information is there. And then you've got a nice card there to help you with the CV values for the sound effects on this model. SD70ACe in Montana Railings Veterans Paint Scheme. What a cool release. This is new from Broadway Limited Imports. A link below in the description to their website. Check out this and other new in-scale releases from Broadway Limited. That's what's in the box today.